Hello and welcome to Cooking with Nathaniel. Today we're gonna be making perfect sunny side up eggs with bacon. They're gonna be absolutely perfect and up to my high standards. So first we're gonna need some oil. Okay, we're gonna add oil and then we're gonna spread it around. Nice. And now we're gonna wait for a bit so the oil gets hot. And now we're gonna add bacon or prosciutto in this case. Nice. And now we're gonna add eggs. Be careful not to break them, because then this breakfast will not be up to my high standards. Another one. Okay, now we have to make sure that everything is nice and even. Now we wait for a bit. And now we have to remove the gooey stuff from the top and move it to the side, because the gooey stuff is not up to my standards. Now we have to add some salt and some pepper and bread. Absolutely perfect and up to my standards.